How to bring out different charms depending on the window. Window light is the most natural and beautiful light when photographing people. It is basically a soft light that brings out the woman's attractiveness. In this video, I will show you the differences in the way various types of window light are captured. First, I will take pictures using a large window. It is 2 meters high from the floor and 3.5 meters wide. I ask the subject to stand in the center of the window as close to the window as possible. The soft light from the front hits it beautifully and creates a very gentle atmosphere. And with the light coming from below, the upper light also comes in and makes the subject look younger. In addition, there are windows behind the subject, so I was able to add hair light and edge light from diagonally behind the subject, making the person stand out even more. Next, shoot using the light from a slightly smaller window. Have the subject stand behind the window, as close to it as possible. Getting closer to the window softens the light, but because the window is smaller, the contrast is higher than with a large window. Since the subject is standing behind the window, there is no edge light, but it is beautiful light. Next, try standing in the center of the smaller window. The light is more side-lit than before. The light is soft, but the shadow seems too dark. Now ask the subject to stand in front of the small window. Furthermore, there are more dark areas on the face and fewer highlights, which doesn't make the woman look beautiful. Now, let's take a same backlit shot of the same window, a little further away. With a semi-backlit light, the exposure is brighter in the shadow areas, the light becomes softer and it looks good. However, the edge light is a bit overexposed and the face is still a bit dark. So I tried shooting with the face facing the window. It looks really good. Finally, we shoot using a long, narrow window. As before, I will ask the subject to stand near the window and shoot with soft light. The contrast is a little strong, but it creates a nice atmosphere. If you want to take pictures with a cool look, you can also use a window like this. Even a long, narrow window can produce beautiful photos depending on where you stand. As long as there is a window, you can shoot with beautiful light through any window. So choose a window and think about where you stand based on the image you want to capture. Window light is great. Give it a try.